Today we're going to show you how to make a non-dairy keto cappuccino, and we're going to use oat milk. There's a lot of interest in oat milk lately, and if you're going to keep it keto, make sure you get unsweetened oat milk. Most of the oat milks out there, or the other varieties that are not unsweetened, do have carbs in them. And the other thing I'll say about oat milk, make sure you shake it up really well. It tends to settle at the bottom. So we're going to use oat milk. We've got espresso already made, milk frother, and we're going to top it with a little bit of cocoa powder. What makes a cappuccino versus a latte is that thick head of foam at the top. It's difficult to create that with the milk frother in the glass itself. So we're actually going to froth the milk in a measuring cup. I'm going to take this over to the microwave and heat it up for about 1.5 minutes. All right, now we're going to take our hot oat milk and begin frothing. For something that's not really milk, oat milk really froths up well. You can take your time with this. Then at the very end, this is how you get extra froth. Sort of tilt it to its side. And it's really remarkable when you look at the increase in the volume. We're going to start with the espresso. And top it with a little bit of cocoa powder. And there you have a non-dairy keto oat milk cappuccino. Please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You don't want to miss anything new, and I've got a whole playlist of different keto-friendly non-dairy coffees.